We're standing in the empty garage. The car has been dropped off to a shop. We're getting some stuff done to it. But for now, wanted to give you a little garage update. Check this out. So I'm over here in the single car garage, a part of the garage you guys normally don't see. We've got a new way of washing the car. You've probably seen on other channels such as Obsessed Garage, who actually sells these. This is an AR Blue 630 TSS. It's a total stop, 1000 PSI, 2.3 gallon per minute pressure washer, hooked up to a Cox 100-foot hose reel with 100 feet of MTM Kobra hose. Got quick connects and everything. I was able to wash the car prior to it being delivered to the shop that's doing some work to it. So stay tuned till next time and we will do a demo of how this system works and why I love it so much. It makes washing cars so much more easy, so much more fun. I can finally use the snow foam cannon that I've had. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the updates on the car to see what we have done, and I'll see you guys soon.